Hello and welcome to TSS. I'm Paul. Today we're going to the Gasket Alley in PJ. Hopefully I get to test ride the 2019 Aprilia RSV4 Factory. Let's go. Well, what's so special about the Aprilia RSV4 Factory if you ask? First of all, the engine is 1100cc, that's 1100cc. It's got 217 horsepower at 13,200 RPM. And it comes with 122 Newton meter of torque. On top of that, you have the usual traction control, quick shifter, and also launch control. And on the front fork got the Olin NIX suspension. And the rear has got the Olin TTX suspension. Plus, the whole bike fully fueled, that means with a full tank of petrol and everything ready to go, it's only 199 kilo. How light is that? Now, how much is the whole thing gonna cost you? Well, it will set you back 159,000 ringgit. And that is not even on the road price, excluding insurance and road tax. And this is the Gasket Alley. So that's a wrap. Unfortunately, can't test ride the Aprilia RSV4 Factory. The thing is, there was a long queue. You have to wait like 1 hour 60 minutes, so yeah, didn't want to try that, didn't want to wait that long. So I guess that's all we have time for today. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a big thumbs up, hit the like button, and if you have not done so, please do subscribe to our channel because we are making more and more cool bike videos. Okay, so Until next episode, I'm out.